Welcome to Dab for Do. Hello friends, hope everyone is doing good. I would urge you to be cautious and be safe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this instant and easy camphor Rakhis, which will be very helpful in the cold season and as well as can be useful in this pandemic situation. So we need very few items which can be easily available at home. So let's get started. So I have taken a small square piece of fabric of around 1 inch and the net fabric which is little bigger, and I am using anchor thread here. You can use any cotton thread or any thread available. With the help of needle, we will have to pleat on the edges and fix the net fabric on the top of this small square which we have made. When we are using little bigger fabric, it creates a little pocket into the small fabric. I am using chain stitch over here. You can just do a straight stitch. You can use your sewing machine, or you can even add fabric glue and stick this net fabric to you. You can make it as per your convenience and creativity. So we will have to sew it in all three sides and give a small pleats wherever needed to adjust the fabric, and see that there is a small frill on all the ends of the fabric. So after making the pocket, we have to insert the camphor in it. This is a block camphor. Take a small piece. This will be very effective. You can use it when there is some nose blockage or colds, as well as any flu kind of symptoms also. So just push it into the fabric and close with the same stitch which we were continuing. So this will be very helpful when you tie it on the kid's wrist. It won't come out, and just cut the excess or any unevenness on the four parts. So after it is complete, take the needle to the down part, and I am using a satin lace here. Take the center part of the lace and join it. So after joining there, I will add these two pearls on the sides. You can add it to the corners also, and you can decorate it as per your choice. I've just given 2 knots and added the pearls. So first Rakhi is ready, and for the second one I am using paper from 3D markers, anchor thread and camphor tablets. So this is how you can arrange the camphor tablets in 3-2 pattern, and just outline it on the paper so that it will mark as a guide and it will help us to create the Rakhi. I have cut a small piece of paper and I've glued it double so that it will be a little thick. Now I am adding the camphor tablets in the pattern which we have created. You can make it into a triangle shape or a diamond shape as per your convenience. I am just outlining it with the blue 3D liner and giving small pearls of green. Now I will add white drops. As per your choice, you can add kundans or further decorations. You can use any kind of lace or anything as such. So this is how I have created this pattern, and to highlight the camphor tablets, I am just making a small pearls of green, and then cut according to the outline after it dries up. So after cutting it according to the shape, you can use any thin scissor, or you can cut and then later you can stick. As per your convenience you can do. Now I am making a dory. You can use any lace thread which is available at your home. So I am using this cotton anchor thread which are matching to this Rakhi, and I will just wrap it or roll it. So after that I have added 2 green beads to match with the theme. Now we cut up small piece of rectangle, and in the center I am pasting this Rakhi to the dory. Be generous while dabbing the glue. So that's it, and stick the Rakhi to this and let it dry. Your beautiful camphor rakhi is ready. This is the second one. So I hope you liked today's idea of creating these camphor rakhis and would try. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share my work and subscribe to my channel.